Did you know 69% of Fortune 500 companies use AI videos for brand storytelling? Then what is stopping you from using it for your brand growth? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, the benefits, and where you can use them. First things first. Log in or sign up on TagShop AI. Once you're in, pick your avatar. There's a whole range of realistic AI presenters to choose from, so you can find the one that fits your brand or your message perfectly. Next step, paste your script. Yep, exactly what you want your avatar to say. After that, it's time to pick a voice and tone. Want your voice or someone else's voice to be cloned for your video to make it sound even more realistic? You can do all of that. Now let's make it pop. Edit your video using the built-in editor. Add subtitles, background images, music, whatever makes it more engaging. And just like that, export your video. Boom, your AI avatar is ready to go. But why should you use AI avatars? Well, for starters, they save time and money. No actors, no studio, no hassle. They also deliver your message consistently every time and grab attention way better than static content. Plus, you can fully customize them to match your brand. And that's it. Creating realistic talking AI avatar videos is now easier than ever. So go ahead and try TagShop AI now.